Good day, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube lecture channel. Today, we are going to see how to give a perfect title tag and description to your video. Title tags and descriptions are very important because you will get your SEO results based on this. We are going to tell what we saw in this title tag. In this description, we are going to give the complete information about our video. Based on this information, YouTube will decide where and to whom to show your video. So, you have to give the title tag and description properly. Why? Now, let's see how to write the title tag and its usage. If you are uploading a video, the title of the video should be your primary keyword. The primary keyword should have a lot of search volume. If you place a keyword without search volume, it is useless. You would have seen in my last video how to research a keyword. So, use those keywords in your title. Similarly, don't use the same title as others. You have to make some small modifications and give in that title. If you give a unique title, your SEO will give you good results. Make sure that your title tag is very attractive. For an attractive title tag, you will get a lot of click-through ratio. For example, top 20 ways to promote YouTube videos. It is very short, but powerful words have been used. Similarly, your thumbnail and title should give a similar meaning. Don't convey one thing in the thumbnail and one thing in the title. The thumbnail and title should give a similar meaning. For title tag, YouTube gives 100 characters including spaces. My suggestion is to complete your title within 85 to 100 characters. Because, if people watch your videos on mobile, your title will not be cut anywhere. Short title tags will give a good performance. Similarly, check all the devices to see if your title tag is cut. If you give within 100 characters, it will not be cut anywhere. If you give extra, it will definitely be cut. You can check it once, and if it is okay, you can process it. You can give up to 100 characters in your title. There is no mistake in that. But, for a better performance, give within 100 characters. If you are making your videos into a series, give numbers. For example, episode, vlog, season number. Try to give such numbers in your title tag. If you look at my videos, I would have given numbers for all the series. Where is this useful? For example, I will show you my channel. If you look at this, I would have given numbers for all my videos. If you look at digital tips, I would have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would have given a series. I would have given 1, 2, 3 in the title and 1, 2, 3 in the thumbnail. What is the benefit of giving like this? In the future, people who come to my channel can watch a series from start to finish. Because there is a loop in this, they can watch their courses completely without missing anywhere. If you make a video without such a continuation, you will not know which is the first and which is the last. To avoid that, we are giving these numbers. Don't give clickbait titles to your videos. There is a chance that your videos will be banned. Give clear information about your video in the title. That will give you a good SEO performance and a good reach. Now, you know what to follow in the title tag. Let's look at the description. YouTube gives 5,000 character limits. If your video appears in the YouTube search, only 138 characters will be visible. Before that, you have to give a quick intro about the video in the description. The first 138 characters are very important in the description you give. So, write the content in that space. That's the third point. Next, use hashtags in your description. So, that if someone searches for that hashtag on YouTube, there is a chance that your video will appear. How can we find this hashtag? Just go to YouTube. In YouTube, just put the hashtag. Start the primary keyword of your video. You will get the suggestion for that here. I am typing in YouTube. You can see a lot of suggestions here. Like a YouTube channel, YouTuber, YouTube Shorts. Similarly, I have done digital marketing. So, here you can see digital marketing course, digital marketing tutorials for beginners. So, you will get such suggestions. If there is anything related to your video, you can copy it and use it in your description. Next, in your description, give all the links for your previous video. When your viewers see your description, they will click all the links relevant to that video. There are more chances to see those videos. So, definitely use the link for your previous video or playlist in your description. Next, definitely add your contact details below. So, if you are doing it for a business, if you have given your contact details, then you will definitely get leads from there, like your social media links, or your email ID, your phone numbers, your address. You can give all such information in the description of your video. So, my suggestion is, for a minimum of 2000 characters, write a description. Make sure that there are keywords in it, that it repeats at least 2 to 3 times. Similarly, make sure that the description you write is natural. So, to optimize the keyword, it should not look like you wrote a description. The main thing you have to do in this is, the 138 characters you give in the description at the beginning is very important. So, those who are watching your video on YouTube search will know that your thumbnail, title and these 138 characters are very important. So, today we are going to upload a video. We are going to give the title and description for that. So, I have written a description following all the things I said here. I will show that to you. Like, this is it. So, I have added all my playlists. Then, I have added my contact details. Then, at this point, I have given a little detail about what this video is about. Similarly, at the beginning of my video, I have given the intro for this video. So, let's upload a video now. The same video today. Now, I am going to my channel. In this, we are going to upload the video. At this point, there is an icon called Upload Videos. Just click on that. Now, we have to select our video file. Click on Select File. This is my video. The title of this video is How to Create a Successful YouTube Channel. I will select this. Now, the title will be automatically selected because the file name of your video will appear here as the title. If you want, you can keep it exactly as it is. Or else, you can modify it. You would have seen in my last video how to optimize a video. If you optimize, it will look like this. So, at this point, I am going to modify the title. So, if you see this, there are only 72 characters. Then, our description. So, at this point, I have already taken the description. I will place it here. So, if you see the description, in this video, you are going to learn about how to create a YouTube channel banner. So, this is how it will appear in a YouTube search. So, give this 138 characters properly. Next, explain as much as you can about that video. So, write the description you gave for your video as much as you can. Make sure that your keyword is repeated at least 3 times. If you see this overall, I have used 4800 characters. So, I suggest you to write at least 2500 words. If you can write 5000 words, then your video will definitely give you good results. If you have a lot of words, you can optimize your keyword for a long time. Feed as many words as you can. I think you have understood what to follow in the description. If you don't understand anything in this, comment in the comments section. I will definitely give you a solution for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.